It's a finite resource, and it gets drained all day long. Now, to really understand this, we have to go back in time a bit, to the late 90s, and talk about a really cool experiment by a psychologist named Roy Baumeister. It's a surprisingly simple setup that involves some hungry college students, some fresh cookies, and, well, radishes. Okay, so picture this. You're a hungry student, you walk into a lab, and it smells absolutely incredible, like someone just pulled a batch of chocolate chip cookies out of the oven. Now, one group of students, they get to eat the cookies. Lucky them. But the other group, oh, they have to resist those warm, amazing cookies and instead eat boring, plain old radishes. Can you imagine? The real test, though, came after. Both groups were given a puzzle that was actually impossible to solve, just to see how long they'd stick with it. And the results were just stunning. The students who had to use their self-control, the poor souls who had to resist the cookies, they gave up on that puzzle 50% faster than the group that got to indulge. It wasn't that their willpower was weak. It was just used up. This tells us something huge about how our minds work. This whole phenomenon got a name: ego depletion. The big idea is that every single time you use self-control, whether you're resisting a cookie or forcing yourself to focus on a boring spreadsheet, you're drawing from the exact same limited energy source. So by the evening, that tank is pretty much on empty. Now, I should mention, while this theory is super influential, the whole idea of ego depletion has been part of a big scientific debate recently. But it still gives us a really powerful way to think about why our energy just disappears during the day.